All right, we are northern Minnesota, Brainerd at BIR, which is Brainerd International Raceway, which is the NHRA drag strip up here. We are attempting to break and set a new world record snowmobile distance.
What's your last world record?
The previous jump I did a little over a year ago was 271 feet. This is the fourth year in a row that we've done an official world record distance jump. Yes, I'm not right in the head, but we are looking to eclipse the 300-foot mark, and I definitely think it's going to happen. As far as the dangers, I mean, it's not really a broken bones type scenario. It's going home in a bag kind of deal. So I kind of figure I'm living on borrowed time anyway. So it's just not something I really think about. If it's my time, it's my time. I'm Paul Thacker, and you just watched me set a new world record and become the first man over 300 feet.